I was just getting ready to put my video camera away. I thought I would make one final last important point for you. Now, I've been out here over 4 days. A couple of days I worked 8 hours. One day I worked about 6 hours. Another day I worked, today I've worked at least 4 hours. How much do you think this would cost if you were to do it and pay somebody 50 to 75 bucks an hour? Figure it out. There's no way you're going to spend, would you have spent $1,500 to get somebody to do everything that I just did and showed you on this video series? Probably not. So you got one of two choices. Either you don't do it and you have your garden look like a mess like this one did before I got here, or you start doing some things yourself and you get to know how to do certain things. You learn things along the way, and it makes you feel good when you get done. And you say, wow, I did all that myself and it looks really good now. And you save some money along the way, for sure. I know it's time to go because I've been out here for 4 days. My gloves have holes in them now. And when you get gloves like this, here's a tip for you. Go to the Dollar Tree, and they have some gloves with rubber on here. One size pretty much fits all. $1.25, baby. I got some last time I was there with Mother, and they seem to work just fine.